Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are rounding numbers, but just before we get started, please go ahead and click the like button. So let's get started. Before we go into the examples, let's go over the basic rules for rounding. So if the number you're rounding is greater than or equal to 5, you round up. Round up means you add 1 to the rounding number or the rounding place. If the number is less than 5, you round down. That means the number in the rounding place remains the same. So let's get into our example. What is 4.057 rounded to the nearest whole number, tenth, and hundredth? So we're going to round to the nearest whole number, which is this place, the nearest tenth, and the nearest hundredth. Okay, so 4.057 to the nearest whole number. So when you're rounding a number, first you identify the rounding number. The rounding number or the rounding place is, the number in the rounding place is 4. So we're going to look at the next place to the right, and if the number is 5 or more, we're going to round up. That means we're going to add 1 to the rounding number, or if it is less than 5, we're going to round down. So in the first example, we are rounding to the nearest whole number. We're going to look at the tenth, and we see that that is less than 5. So the rounding number or the rounding place, the number in the rounding place remains the same. So 4.057 rounded to the nearest whole number is equal to 4. So rounding place, look to the right, less than 5, round down, that means the number remains the same. Next, round 4.057 to the nearest tenth, which is a 0, the first place after the decimal point. So we look to the right of the rounded number and we see 5. 5 is 5. So that means we're going to round up. Round up means we add 1 to the rounding number. So when we add 1, that is going to be equal to 4.1. So 4.057 rounded to the nearest tenth is equal to 4.1. Let's move on to the next example. Round 4.057 to the nearest hundredth. Hundredth, 2 places away from the decimal point. So this is the 5. So 5 is the rounding number. We look to the right and we see 7. 7 is more than 5, so we're going to add 1 to the rounding number. Add 1. So it is equal to 4.0, and we add 1 to 5 and we get 6. So it's equal to 4.06. So 4.057 to the nearest hundredth is equal to 4.06. Okay? Just follow the rule and it will be very straightforward. So let's go into our skill practice. and see how well we do. Round to the underlined place or the underlined number. So the first one is 1.5. This place is the ones place, the whole number place. We look to the right and we see 5. So that means we're going to round up. That means we add 1 to the rounding place, and that is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. So 1.5 to the nearest whole number or the nearest ones is equal to 2. Next, 8.399 to the nearest hundredth. So nearest hundredth, so 9 in the hundredth place is the rounding number. We look to the right and we see 9, which is more than 5, so we're going to add 1 to the rounding place. So 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 0. 9 plus 1, 10, so we're going to put a 0 and carry the 1 over there. And 3 plus 1, 4, and then 8. Let's see how we do that. So it's 8.39, and we're adding 1 to the 9. 9 plus 1, 0. 3 plus 1, 4. 8.40. And we can't drop this 0 because we were asked to round to the nearest hundredth. So right here, 0 has a value. It is in the hundredth place. Next, 0.445 to the nearest ones or the nearest whole number. We look to the right and we see 4, which is less than 5. So the rounded number is going to remain the same. So this is equal to 0. Round in place, 0. The number next to the round in place, less than 5. So we leave it as it is, so it's 0. Next, 1.87 to the nearest tenth. The number to the right of the rounding number is more than 5, so we're going to add 1 to the rounding number, plus 1, so that is equal to 1.9. Next, 2.02 to the nearest whole number or the nearest ones. We look to the right and it's 0, so the rounding number remains the same. So that is equal to 2. 2.108 to the nearest tenth. We look to the right of 10 and we see 0. So the rounded number 1 is going to remain the same. So 2.108 is equal to 2.1. And next, we're going to round 2.2 to the nearest whole number or the nearest ones. We look to the right and we see less than 5. So this is equal to 2. And that's it for today. I hope you find this very useful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And I'll see you in the next video.